by the shore. I'm going looking for a better emotion and sure to search forevermore. She reveals to me over the horizon, deep within my skin, my song goes on and on and on and on. Her perch broken through the surface, her face fixed on her glass, made her voice lead me to ambush. I paid no heed to fear I'll crash. Occupied by the tangles, she combs out from her locks, seals the mystic enchantment made to consume my heart. She reveals to me over the horizon, deep within my skin, her song goes on and on and on. She reveals to me over the horizon, deep within my skin, her song goes on and 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 Right on, everybody. Thank you so much.